Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Oge and I'm reaching you from Abuja, Nigeria. In today's video, I'd like to show you what I got for the month of February. Yes, I usually buy my foodstuffs in bulk and of course groceries, but I'm going to start with the foodstuffs. I mean the food items that I got for the month of February. I have some foodstuffs left, so what I have gotten are things that I do not have at all, and we're going to be taking them one after the other to see how it goes. I got some oha. This I got for 250 naira. I got plantain for 3,200 for a big bunch. I also got some uziza leaves for 300 naira. All of them I got them at different places, and that's why I got them. That's why they're in different plastic bags. I also got myself some snack. This is called a berebe in in my language, but most people call it abacha, but it's another form of abacha, but it's prepared in a bit different, almost the same process, but yeah. So I got also some spring onions. This I got for 300 naira, which I'm going to be using for my stew base tomato mix, yeah, combo. I'm going to be sharing another video to show you that video, so don't forget to subscribe if you've not yet subscribed. I got some ugu 500 naira, which I'm going to be using for my vegetable soup, for egusi soup, yeah, for my vegetable soup and egusi soup. Yes guys, and I got one of these for 400 naira. Things are really expensive right now in the market, guys. Let me know at the end of this video if you think I got good deals. By the way, I share videos on healthy living, budgeting and great recipes. I got pineapple, 3 of them for 1,000 naira, and I got tomatoes. Instead of getting one basket like I normally get, I got 2 paint buckets for 1,400 and 1,300 naira, so 2,700 for 2 of them. That's a good deal. I got some chicken for 3,200 per kilo, some purple onion, purple cabbage, green cabbage for about 300 and 700 each. Shombo half crate onions. I got these 2 baskets for 3,000 each. Yes, that's because I'm going to be making my tomato base. I got teteshi 1 basket for 2,500 naira. I also got my iron beans that I'm going to be using for moi for the month. This is just 2 mudu. I got 1 mudu for 1,300 naira. I got pomo. Meanwhile, I got smoked panla, just a little bit for 1,000 naira. I also got pomo for 500 naira for my vegetable soup. I got my yellow pepper. Guys, if you've not been using yellow pepper in your food, you're missing. And green peas for 100 naira each. I also got 1 Cameroon pepper, 1 cup for about 500 naira or so. I also got this very, very ripe Udara, with the hope that the ripeness will make it sweet. The carrots, 500 naira. This kuli that has a bit of ginger and pepper, very nice. I got half mudu for 600 naira, and then I have this granite for I think 100 naira or 50 naira, I can't remember. And this sesame seeds or Benny seeds, I don't even know. I got one cup for 300 naira. I got iru for 50 naira. I got 2 of them for my draw soup, but I can't find one of it right now. I got this okra 500 naira. Yes, I'm going to be using the okra with my ogbono to make a mixture of okra and ogbono soup. Yes, and I also got sweet potatoes for 1,500. I bargained to 1,300 naira for 1,000 basket. Half basket of Irish potatoes for 2,000 naira, and then I have my 3 pieces of lemon because I already have some lemon in the fridge, 200 naira. My avocado, 4 of them were going for 500 naira. I got my apples, 200 naira each, and all that garden egg for 500 naira. Yes. So if you're enjoying my video, if you have watched this video up to this extent, I want to say thank you to you, and don't forget to subscribe. I got these 2 bars of yam for 9,000. There are 10 of them for 9,500 or maybe 10,000. Yes, they are not that big, but they are really nice and dry and good. They are good yams. Yes, and this is going to last me for 1 month. or more or less, really, depending on how we consume it. And this, you see, this ajumbi say, I'm going to be making a separate video to show you what is inside, what's going on in there, and I've been told how to use it. I'll be sharing that video. I got all of this orange one basket for 1,000 naira, and this yellow gari for 700 naira for one mudu. I got 3 mudus because I still have some gari left. And in here I have my fried granite. I like to buy this fried granite. One mudu for 1,600, and trust me when I say that this mudu can fill up one bottle. We've had almost 2 bottles. It will fill up one bottle fully, and the other bottle will be almost full. And one bottle costs about 1,500 naira. So now I'm using one stove to kill 2 birds. Yes. So let's even say 2 bottles. And because I have to do the manual work of peeling by myself, I either peel it and bottle, or I bottle like that. Anybody that want to eat sugar and peel by their safe. Yes, guys. And so I have my joro, I have my dawa, and my corn. This is my dawa, guinea corn. The joro is also called millet. And then I have my corn, yellow corn actually. I have 1 mudu of each of them. I think I got them 800, between 800 and 850 each of them. Yes, and I want to use that to make pap for my daughter. She likes to eat pap a lot. I'm having a hard time introducing her to other foods. I'm still working on it. She's so picky. I don't know what to do. Okay, guys, let me have ideas. Let me know what you think about this video. Do you think I got these prices at do you think I got these items at good prices? Let me know in the comment sections. Meanwhile, on the grocery side or on the provision side, I got this cheese box for my children. I got it for 2,200. I had to open one in there just to be sure, because all the cheese balls I've been buying these days is like air used to enter inside. But when I tasted this, it was really crunchy, and I got one pack of it, and it's expected to last 1 month or more or less. I have cabin. Yes, guys, I still eat cabin. Oh yes, so sometimes I can use this to make cabin flakes, or we just snack on it here, because it doesn't really have a lot of sugar, so I like to have this around. But whenever I open it, I always put them in a sealed container so that the air doesn't get in. I also got this biscuit for about 2,500 naira. This exotic for 2,005 or 2,002. A pack of it for my children for the month. And I also have Ribena by 2,000 naira or so, and fresh about 2,000 naira. So all of them range from 2,000 to 2,500. I'm not really sure of the price completely right now. And then I have my mini meat chin chin that I got 2 rolls, and it cost me about 950 naira per roll. So if I was buying one, it would cost me about 1,200 or more. I got 2 baby wipes for 1,001 each. I also got this soft care pad for 1,300 naira, and it's 30 pieces inside. I got this Yara diaper size 5 for I think 3,000 naira. Yes, because I got them from where they sell wholesale. I always buy my items when these specialist groceries from wholesale markets, wholesale shops. And this kiss size 4, and I think about 70 something pieces is inside. I got them for 7,000 naira. Yes, I always buy them wholesale because they are cheaper. If you're buying them on retail, then you're going to have to spend extra. And these three big tissues for the senior citizens, I got them for 1,200 for 3 of them. These other ones, smaller ones, 500 naira for 6. So I took 2 of them, and that's supposed to last us for the month or more or less. Yeah, so I got some sweets or candies for my children. I got 3 slash buttermint and this caramel. I'm trying this caramel for the first time, and it's supposed to help me with my bribery and corruption of my children. When you want them to do something or do something for stay quiet, you give them. And I got that honey for 1,000 naira or 1,500. I got my Dano Slim for 2,800, and this Milo for I think 3,800 or so. I can't remember the price. Yeah, but that's a big size Milo. This no cubes about 1,002, and Maggi Star 1,100. I like to use Maggi Star for my soups and porridges, and Maggi no cubes for stews and jollof. I have my salt. I don't remember how much I got that. And in this nylon, I have my powdered sugar. I also buy it sachet ones sometimes, but when we're trying to cut cost, I also got this tin tomatoes for 800 naira per one. I got the corned beef for I think 1,005 or 1,3, I'm not sure. Titles for 850 or 830. I got three of them. And this detergent, I got half carton, and the half carton cost about 3,500 naira or 3,800. So what are the prices in your area, guys? Let me know if I'm getting good deals. I know the market I go to, they sell things relatively fair, so let me know if they are doing well in your area too, guys. So that's it for the detergent. I also got some washing soap, but this I don't really use a lot because of I have washing machine. Hypo, can you imagine this 200 ml goes for 100 naira? And I got 1,000 naira worth. Just person who sold it told me, madam, I didn't want to buy it. I wanted the ones in the container. I said, madam, just buy it. And that's my sugar. Yes. He said, madam, just buy it and pour it in the container. And I don't necessarily need to pour it in the container. I'll just be using it as is if the children can help me manage it. So that's it, guys, for this grocery haul for the month of February. I wasn't able to get everything I needed in the market. I also wanted to buy peak milk 123, but the price I was told had added. I had bought the last time 3,000, and then I was told that the wholesale price was 3,200. So I decided to, you know what, go to ShopRite and buy it for myself. Which no, there's no way I'll go to ShopRite and I'll not buy things that had no budget. So my son saw this bike and he fell in love and he wanted me to buy it. And I told him, you know what, we're gonna have to buy this some other time. So in the meantime, I just let him just feel himself. Yeah, come down, we'll buy it. Come down, okay? If you don't come down, we will not buy it. Come down so that we can buy it. Okay, so Madam Big Sister is here picking everything pickable. She wants me to buy her goggles for swimming, and I told her I don't have that budget for now. Maybe another time when we plan it properly, because the reason I'm coming here is to buy things that I need in the house, not some entertainment something, you know what I mean. So yes, and we just had to look around and see if we needed anything. And of course, like I said, we end up buying things that we do not necessarily need. So sometimes I try to avoid stores like this, except of course we are going on an outing, or I want to just take them out, have some fun, splurge, which is allowed by the way. And when we're done, we my son's hair was grown. My husband is not around, so I needed to barb his hair. His hair had all grown, and I chose to, take him to the barbing salon we had there. I was afraid, maybe they got my neck with price, but it didn't turn out so bad. They gave him a very good haircut, and I loved it, and the price was relatively fair. So I got me some milk, and this is supposed to be Kerrygold Advantage. I like the milk because it has the animals that were milked were fed with vegetables, so it's expected that they are having some good content in them. So we're back from ShopRite, and we got 2 loaves of bread that we're going to be using for the week or two. Yeah, we don't do a lot of bread. I also got some cucumber because I forgot to buy it from the market the day before, and here is my English pear. I think I got the 3 of them for I think 1,003 or 4. I also get ketchup, some cheese, coconuts for 500 and something. And the cheese cost about 2,007. Yes, cheese is very expensive, and it's not like we eat a lot too. It's just for once in a while something. Some rich tea biscuits, Kerrygold, and also got some rice that we use to snack and hold hunger before we finish our Sunday lunch, And then I like this Vita milk. It's very rich. I like it. I know it may not be everything I need, but I just like it. And then I got some chocolates for them and some biscuits. I have this familiar paper towel, Nescafe for my office, so that in case we didn't wake up early, we want to sleep is catching us, we will now eat, drink it, and sleep will not catch us again. And then some deodorants, and this family care soap that I just wanted to try out for the first time is about 500 or something there. And then you have my sausages. I don't normally buy this type before, but I didn't see the one we normally go for, so I got this, and this cost about 1,700 naira thereabout. And then we got some meat pies and chicken pies, which we intend to snack on pending when our lunch is ready. Yes, guys, that's what we got, and we may have avoided a few of these things, like actually the snacks and the rice, if we didn't go to shop, right? But I tried my best to work within my budget, and that's it. So eventually, I was able to get this Ashanti soap because I was lucky enough to find somebody who went to the market, and I got this from the market. I didn't find it in the shop right the day, and the papaya and honey soap, and then I got this Peak Milk 123. I got half carton because it's cheaper that way, and this is expected to last me for 1 month or more because I use it for my 2 kids that are within that age range. I hope before now I was literally consuming 1 pack of milk in 3 to 4 days. I hope this can last for as long as possible. And I got the half carton for about when I calculated, it was 3,100 naira, 3,166, so about 19,000 for 6 of them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like this video by giving me a thumbs up and then sharing this video with your friends, loved ones. Drop your comments below so I can know your thoughts on it. I'll be seeing you in another video, guys. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.